I thought that sister is there. So probability of a perfect square. Okay.
Third part.
Yes.
A number divisible by 5.
A number divisible by 5. Next.
Only 3
Okay.
parts are there.
Okay. Now class, let us make the blueprint of this question. Probability of a 2-digit number. Numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 10, 11, 12, so on, so on, so on, up to 90. Means class, can I say these are the 2-digit numbers? And this is a single digit number. So today I am going to find the probability of a 2-digit number. Means टोटल नंबर कितने हैं 90. अब आउट ऑफ 90 2 डिजिट वाले कितने होंगे 1 डिजिट वाले कितने 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. तो 90 में से मैं 9 माइनस कर दूंगा दैट इज 81. सो आंसर इज 81 बाई 90. क्लियर समझ में आया क्लास. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 2 डिजिट निकालना था. मींस 1 डिजिट वाले कितने नंबर है 9. सो टोटल कितने हैं 90. 90 में से 9 माइनस करोगे 81 जो है दे आर द 2 डिजिट numbers. ठीक है. So first part समझ में आया क्लास. 90. 9 9s are 9 10s are. So answer is 9 by 10. Any doubt regarding this part?
No, sir.
So let us move to the next part. Probability of a perfect square number. Perfect total numbers कितने क्लास 90. Now my job is to find out of 90 numbers how many are perfect square numbers. ठीक है. So कैसे निकालेंगे क्लास. 1 is perfect. 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64 and 81. They are the perfect square numbers. Count करो जरा कितने बनते हैं 9. So 9 by 90 answer is 1 by 10. Clear? Answer is 1 by 10. Perfect square number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total numbers they are 90. 9 by who is device Nokia? So this is 9 by 90. Answer is 1 by 10. Now class next part is a number divisible by 5. Count करते हैं 5 का टेबल पढ़ो 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Then comes 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, then 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. काउंट करो कितने बनते रहा जल्दी से काउंट करो
Sir, 19.
1 2 3 4 5 5 और 5 10 10 and 4 14 14 and 4 18 है बच्चे. टोटल नंबर कितने हैं काउंट करो 18 बन रहे हैं. सो 18 बाई टोटल नंबर कितने हैं 90. 18 ones are 18 85 are. So 1 by 5 is the answer. Clear class? Any doubts?
No,
Should I
sir.
move to the next question? चलिए let us move to the next question. Mute yourself all of you please. ठीक है. Next is सभ्यता पढ़ो question.
A child has a dice whose 6 faces show the letters as given below. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E, A.
ठीक है.
The dice is thrown once. What is the probability of getting first part A, second part D?
So this is the second part. Probability of getting A. But what is the definition of probability? Number of times event happened divided by total number of times. टोटल कितने हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 divided by 6 होगा. Divided by क्या हुआ 6. Now probability of getting A. A कितनी बार आ रहा है वहां पे
2.
कितनी बार है वहां पे 2 times. So this is answer is 2 by 6 that is 1 by 3. Clear? then probability of getting E appears how many times? Only once. E कितनी बार आ रहा है? Only once.
One.
Probability is 1/6. Any doubts?
1/6.
Clear? चलिए, let us move to the next question. पढ़ो सभ्यता.
Suppose you drop a dice at random on the rectangular region shown in figure 15.6. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle with diameter 1 meters?
So first try to understand the question. What is question? है क्या question? Suppose you are having a die. ठीक है? Clear? And this is class a rectangle. ठीक है? Clear? And this is a circle of diameter 1. So radius is 1/2 meter. Now question is, what is the probability if you throw a die that will land inside the circle? Circle के अंदर land करेगी die. That probability निकालनी है. So first क्या करेंगे? Area of क्या निकालेंगे class? Circle. Then we will find the area of the rectangle. Formula is total क्या आएगा? Bigger thing. Numerator क्या बनेगा? Smaller thing. That area of circle divided by area of क्या होगा? Rectangle. So area of rectangle, that is L into B, that is 3 into 2 is equal to 6 meter square. Clear? Now area of circle, formula is pi r square. Formula is pi r square. Pi means pi को pi रहने दो, r square. Radius is 1/2 into 1/2. So answer is pi/4 meter square. Now class, question is, if you throw a die that will land inside the circle, उसकी probability क्या है? That is area of circle divided by area of rectangle. So therefore probability die to land inside the circle. Circle के अंदर land करेगी. What is that probability? Area of circle, that is pi/4 divided by area of rectangle, that is 6. So answer is pi/24 meter square. This is the probability that the die will land inside the circle. In such questions बच्चे, area of smaller thing divided by area of क्या करते हैं? Bigger thing. ठीक है? So smaller is area of circle, bigger is area of rectangle. Why it is bigger? Because circle is inside the rectangle. Any doubts? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
चलिए, let us move to the next question. Sabeta, please read the next question.
A lot consists of 144 ball pens, of which 20 are defective.
हाँ, ठीक है. आगे.
Of which 20 are defective and others are good.
ठीक है.
Nuri will buy a pen if it is good, but will not buy if it is defective. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives it to her. What is the probability that first part she will buy it? Second
That
part
Nuri will buy it. Next.
Second part she will not buy it.
That she will not buy it. So first try to understand the question. What is the question? Okay. A lot contain 144 pens. Means total pens कितने class? That is 144. ठीक है. So one thing तो पता चल गई that divide किससे करना है class? 144. Divide किससे करना है? That is 140. Because in totality you are having 144 pens. Out of 144, 20 are defective. So that means non-defective कितने होंगे class? Minus कर दो, that is
124.
124, they are good. Now condition is that Nuri will buy a pen if that is good. So what is the probability? Good कितने हैं? 124 divided by total, that is 144. ठीक है?
44.
अब what is the probability that she will not buy it? वो कब नहीं खरीदेगी? When pen is defective. So defective कितने हैं? 20 divided by 144. So for example, you will buy a pen only if it is good. So good कितने हैं? 144 से 20 minus कर दो, that is 124. They are good. So probability that you will buy a pen is 124 divided by 144. And the probability that you will not buy a pen, कब नहीं खरीदोगे? When it is defective one. So defective कितने हैं वहाँ पे? 20 divided by 144. ठीक है? So class, any doubts? Any doubts? ठीक है? So class, with this your chapter probability ends here. But मैं इसको यहाँ पे end नहीं करूँगा class. ठीक है? So still one topic is left out, that is coins. That is coins का topic left out. Sorry, coins का topic जो है that is left out. ठीक है? So class, when you throw a coin, what is the probability? Either head आएगा or क्या आएगा class? Tail. दो ही possibilities है. That's why it is called equally likely event. ध्यान से सुनना, यहाँ क्वेश्चन आया था एग्जाम में. That's why I am covering this topic. ठीक है? So when you throw one coin, यहाँ पे मैंने क्या throw किया? One coin. What are the possible outcomes? Either head or tail. Now class, in place of one coin, if I throw two coins, then what is the sample space? What are the possible outcomes? So class, मैंने एक coin को throw किया, either head आएगा और क्या आएगा? tail. When you throw two coins, तो दूसरे coin को फेंकेंगे तो क्या आएगा? Either head or tail. So today do one thing, coin को toss करो, one coin, either head or tail. Toss another coin, either क्या आएगा? Head or tail. Now you have tossed two coins. ठीक है? So what are the possibilities? निकालो. H into H, HH, H into T, that is HT. T into H, TH, T into T, TT. So class, what is the meaning of this? पहले वाले पे भी head आया, दूसरे वाले पे भी क्या आया? Head. First coin show कर रहा है head, and the second coin is showing tail. First tail, second head. Tail, tail. Clear? So class, क्या possibilities है? If you throw two coins, मैंने दोनों coins फेंके. First possibility is दोनों पे क्या आएगा? Head. फिर मैंने two coins फेंके. Second possibility is दोनों पे क्या आएगा? That is tail. First पे head, second पे tail. First पे tail and second पे क्या आएगा? That is head. So this is called sample space when you throw two coins together. ठीक है? Clear class? So when you throw one coin, तो क्या आता है? Either head or tail. Two coins में क्या आएगा? What are the possible outcomes? Head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. Clear class? समझ में आ गया? So एक step आगे चलते हैं. What is the possibility when you throw three coins together? ठीक है? So this is the what we call HH, HT, TH and TT. This is the sample space for two coins. अब किसने थ्रो करने हैं? Three coins को थ्रो करना है. Then what should be the sample space? This is the sample space possible outcomes when you throw two coins. अब तीन coins थ्रो करने हैं, तो तीसरे को क्या करेंगे? Head, tail. This is the sample space for two coins. This is the sample space for one coin. In totality कितने हो जाएंगे? 3. तो multiply H H H H H T H T H H T T. Then comes with the T. T H H T H T T T H. Then T T T. So this is the sample space when you throw three coins together. This is the sample space for one coin. Clear? Sample space for two coins, and this is the sample space for three coins. Clear? पता चला कैसे बनाते हैं क्लास? Now,
Sir, can you please repeat?
हाँ प्लीज दोबारा करता हूँ रिपीट टॉपिक को, दोबारा देखेंगे, नो प्रॉब्लम. इंपॉर्टेंट है क्लास. See, व्हेन यू थ्रो वन कॉइन, सो क्या पॉसिबल आउटकम्स आएंगे, इधर हेड आर क्या आएगा, टेल. बट टुडे यू आर सपोज्ड टू फाइंड आउट द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ टू कॉइन्स थ्रोन टुगेदर. सो दूसरे को भी फेंक दो, दैट इज एच एंड क्या आएगा, टेल. क्लियर. सो अब निकालो सैंपल स्पेस फॉर टू कॉइन्स, एच इंटू एच, एच एच, एच इंटू टी, एच टी. देन टी से करेंगे, टी एच, टी से करो, दैट इज टी टी. सो वन कॉइन का सैंपल स्पेस क्या है क्लास, वन कॉइन में क्या आएगा, इधर हेड आर क्या आएगा, टेल. टू कॉइन्स को थ्रो किया, व्हाट इज अ पॉसिबल सैंपल स्पेस, हेड हेड, हेड टेल, टेल हेड, टेल टेल. दिस इज द सैंपल स्पेस फॉर टू कॉइन्स. अब क्लास लेट अस थ्रो थ्री कॉइन्स टुगेदर, देन व्हाट इज द सैंपल स्पेस. सी what is the sample space for two coins, head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. This is the sample space for two coins. So let us throw one more coin. One more coin mean either head or क्या आएगा, tail. So construct the sample space. H के साथ करेंगे, H H H H H T H T H H T T. टी के साथ करेंगे क्लास, टी एच एच, टी एच टी, टी टी एच, टी टी टी. सो दिस इज द सैंपल स्पेस व्हेन यू थ्रो थ्री कॉइन्स टुगेदर. क्लियर, समझ में आया क्लास. सो क्लास देयर इज अ ट्रिक, अप टू थ्री फाइंड आउट कर लिया. सपोज ए पर्सन सेज if you throw five coins together, what is the, how many outcomes are there, कितनी outcomes आ रही है when you throw one coin, कितनी outcomes है, two. जब दो coins throw किए, what total outcomes कितनी है, four. when three coins throw कर रहे हो, total outcomes कितनी है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. तो three coins में total outcomes कितनी आ रही है, that is 8. clear. suppose class objective came in the exam, suppose objective आता है एग्जाम में, that when 7 coins they are thrown together, what are the possible number of outcomes. तो क्या 7 coins के लिए आप ट्राई करोगे एक नंबर के लिए, नो. फॉर्मूला है इसके लिए क्लास 2 raised to power n. ये बच्चे आपकी बुक में नहीं है फॉर्मूला, ठीक है, दिस इज नॉट इन योर बुक, बट थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा भी स्टडी किया करो. फॉर्मूला इज 2 raised to power n. लेट अस चेक दिस फॉर्मूला. वन कॉइन को थ्रो किया तो n कितना होगा क्लास, फॉर वन कॉइन what is the n, n कितना आएगा 1. so 2 raised to power 1, आंसर कितना आएगा, कितनी आउटकम्स आई थी आप, दो. let us do it for two coins, 2 raised to power n. two coins का मतलब हो गया n कितना होगा 2. so this is 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 2 is 4. so total outcomes कितनी आ रही है 1 2 3 4. so let us do it for three coins. so for three coins n कितना होगा क्लास आपका 3. so formula is 2 raised to power n. so 2 raised to power 3 is 8. कितनी आउटकम्स थी क्लास, 8. सपोज 5 के लिए आता है, then formula is 2 raised to power 5. so आउटकम्स कितनी आएंगी, 32 आउटकम्स होंगी. क्लियर, ट्रिक समझ में आया क्लास. फॉर्मूला, कीप दिस फॉर्मूला इन माइंड. फॉर्मूला इज 2 raised to power n. एनी डाउट्स फ्रॉम योर साइड क्लास. लेट अस डू क्वेश्चंस ऑन दिस. ठीक है, ये तब तक समझ नहीं आएगा जब तक क्वेश्चन नहीं करोगे क्लास. लेट अस ट्राई टू सॉल्व questions. so I have taken few questions from the board paper. ठीक है, let me write questions. three coins are tossed once, ठीक है, three coins are tossed once. find the probability of, so first part is three heads, first part is probability of three heads निकालनी. second part probability of exactly two heads, ठीक है. then third part is probability of at least two heads निकालनी. ये आया हुआ बोर्ड के पेपर में, ठीक है, इस जेएनके के बोर्ड में आया हुआ ये क्वेश्चन। सो क्लास फर्स्ट ध्यान से समझना क्वेश्चन को। 3 कॉइन्स और टॉस्ड वंस का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ टॉस्ड वंस? टॉस्ड वंस मींस टुगेदर, साइमल्टेनियसली, एक साथ फेंक दिया आपने 3 कॉइन्स, ठीक है। फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ दिस 3 heads, exactly 2 heads, probability of at least 2 heads. So class, when you throw 2 coins, what is the outcome? Head head, tail tail, head tail, tail head. This is the outcome when you throw 2 coins. So आज कितने थ्रो करने हैं क्लास? 3. So क्या आएगा? Head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. So this is the sample space when you throw 2 coins together. Today 3 coins हैं. So एक बार और करेंगे H and T. Construct the sample space. H H H H H T H T T. So T H H T H T, then T T H, then T T T. Clear? So this is the sample space when you throw 3 coins together. Now probability of class क्या निकालना है? Probability of 3 heads निकालना है. So total क्या आएगा क्लास? डिवाइड किससे करेंगे क्लास? एनी आइडिया? एनी आइडिया?
8.
वेरी गुड. डिवाइड किससे करेंगे क्लास? 8 से, बिकॉज टोटल आउटकम्स कितनी है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. नाउ डिनोमिनेटर फाइंड आउट कर लिया, दैट टोटल आउटकम्स कितनी है? 8. अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेफिनेशन ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी, that number of times event happened divided by total number of times. So total number of times means कितना आ गया? 8. Now you are supposed to find numerator. So क्या डिमांड कर रहा है? 3 heads. 3 heads कितनी बार है वहां पे क्लास?
1.
This is the favorable outcome. 3 heads is once. So कितनी बार आ रहे हैं? 1. So answer is 1/8. So class अगर इसी में ट्विस्ट करके पूछता वो, what is the probability of 3 heads से प्लेस में पूछ लेता 3 tails, then what should be the answer? 3 tails कितनी बार आ रहा है?
1.
Still answer is 1/8. Exactly 2 heads. अब क्या चाहिए? Exactly 2 heads चाहिए. Match out करो क्लास. Exactly 2 ही होने चाहिए. ये आएगा क्लास?
1/8. 1/8.
No बच्चा. No. Exactly 2 heads का मतलब 2 heads चाहिए. 2 heads.
Sir, 3/8.
कहाँ पे कितने heads आ रहे हैं?
3/8.
Very good. Now you are right. 2 heads है. यहाँ कितने heads है क्लास? 2 heads. So exactly 2 heads चाहिए. Means 3 heads नहीं चाहिए. 1 head नहीं चाहिए. 2 ही heads चाहिए. So 2 heads है यहाँ पे. 2 heads है. So यहाँ पे 2 heads है. ये क्यों नहीं लिया आपने? Because 1 head है. मुझे exactly 2 heads चाहिए. Why not this? Because 1 head है. मुझे 2 head चाहिए. So answer is 3/8. Clear? No, last part is probability of at least 2 heads. What's the meaning of at least, class? Suppose if I put a condition that I need at least 90% marks from the class. So if student brings 91, that is okay for me. At least means minimum criteria. You can exceed that criteria. So at least कितने heads चाहिए? 2. Clear? इसका मतलब वो कम से कम 2 चाहिए. अगर 3 heads होंगे ना वो भी आ जाएगा. 2 heads कितने थे क्लास? अभी आपने निकाले 3. बट at least का मतलब होता है बाद अगर 3 head वाला होगा वो भी इंक्लूड होगा. तो ये भी क्लास बीच में क्या होगा? इंक्लूड हो जाएगा. At least means minimum criteria. You can exceed that. So 2 heads कितने थे? 3. बट at least है कम से कम 2 चाहिए. 2 से ज्यादा हो सकते हैं. 2 से ज्यादा कितने? 3. So 3 + 1. Answer is 4/8.
4/8.
1/8.
1/8.
Minimum criteria class. Clear? Should I move to the next question? Class, should I give one question to you to try and give
Yes,
the answer?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So be ready. ये भी एग्जाम में आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है. Let us see. Can you solve this question? Let me write on the board first. Cards marked with बच्चे ये क्वेश्चंस आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं है. These questions I have taken from the board papers. Cards marked with numbers. Now you will try this question. I will give you time. The numbers 3, 4, 5, so on up to 50. ठीक है. Are placed in a box. Are placed in a box. ठीक है. And mixed thoroughly. And mixed thoroughly. ठीक है. One card is at random from the box. ठीक है. Find the probability that the first part second part a number which is a perfect square number. Before you start this question, ठीक है, clear? So probability a number is divisible by 7 and second part is 1 3 this second part is a number which is perfect square. So what I am trying to say, first read this question carefully and then do the needful. Trick क्या है यहाँ पे? Clear? I will not speak. ध्यान से पढ़ो क्वेश्चन को and then try to solve. 3 minutes they are given from my side.
The first is 7 by 48.
7 by
48. 48.
Okay. Second part. So answer इसका आंसर मेरे पास भी नहीं है बच्चे. Let me check 2-3 girls if they are having the same answer, then we'll take this answer.
The first is 7 by 8 and second is 6 by 48.
First is 7 by 8.
7 by 48. 7 by 48.
And second is
So 6 by 48.
6 by 48.
Yes, sir.
Let us check. किसी और का आ रहा है आंसर ही? Who has given this answer? Can you name yourself?
Sabhyata.
Sabhyata. Only one girl.
Sir, I also.
Sir, I
Khushi?
also.
Khushi.
Speak your
Sir, I
name.
also.
Sir, Khushi.
Khushi,
Sir,
it's okay. 2 girls.
The 6
What about
by
the other?
48. The second class 6 by 48.
6 by 48.
By 48.
Yes, sir.
By 48.
The 6
by 7 by 40 is the right
answer.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now class, ठीक है. Both these answers they are okay. ठीक है. Now twist is when this question came, ठीक है. So कहाँ पे बच्चों ने गलती कर दी मैं बताता हूँ आपको. See, generally they are in habit. हरी हरी जल्दी जल्दी में करते हैं. Last number 50 they divide with the what we call 50 and 50 and numerator is okay 7 by 50 and 6 by 50. Numerator is okay but denominator is wrong. So because they see this number that 50, that means in totality they are having 50 numbers. But I am happy कि वो गलती आपने नहीं की. Counting कहाँ से start हो रही है क्लास? 3 से. Means 1 and 2 is not there. Counting is started from 3. Means 1 नहीं है वहाँ पे, 2 नहीं है. So ये दो नंबर क्या हो जाएंगे? माइनस हो जाएंगे. So 50 में से 2 नंबर माइनस कर लो. That is answer क्या आएगा? 48. So ये ट्रिक था यहाँ पे. Because बच्चे इन probability को easy समझते हैं. Last number 50. So they are having the concept. Total number 50. So divided by 50. So sequence start from 3. 1 is not there. 2 is not there. So ये दो नंबर माइनस कर लो. 50. The minus these two numbers, that is 50 minus 2. In totality you are having 48 numbers divisible by 7. So what are the possible outcomes? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 and 49. Now count karo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 by 48. Then comes a number which is a perfect square. So what are the possible outcomes? 4 is a perfect square number. 9 is a perfect square number. 16 perfect square number. 25 is perfect. 36 is perfect. 49 is perfect. So what are the possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6 by 48. ठीक है, कट भी कर सकते थे आप. That means 6 1s are 6, 6 8s are. So answer is 1 by 8. Clear? समझ में आया class? Any doubt from your side?
No,
Is
sir.
it clear?
Yes,
समझ
sir.
में आई probability class?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Still you are having any doubt? Please message me that this question I am having doubt. I will immediately solve that question and send back to you. ठीक है. So anything you want to say, बच्चे please practice probability. ठीक है. Especially the questions which are based on the cards. ठीक है. So yesterday मैंने आपको cards show करके दिखाया था. Clear? That means what is the probability of a red card? What is the probability of a what we call black card? Face cards, queen, jack, king. ठीक है. Spade, club. So please practice those questions, and any difficulty, please let me know. As last 1 minute is left, anything from your side, class? Any queries? Any doubts? If not, then I'm going to end this meeting. So thank you, class. Thank you. After this, I will send you a feedback form. Please fill it. Okay. Thank you, class. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir. Thank you.